What if I told you that the universe is trying to kill us constantly? That there are invisible cosmic monsters, planets made of diamonds, and black holes that can erase reality itself? Buckle up, because today we're diving into 20 insane facts about the universe that sound too crazy to be real, but are 100% true. All right, let's jump straight into fact number 1. Imagine flying through space at the speed of light, and suddenly you hit an invisible wall. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? But in 2021, astronomers discovered something called the South Pole Wall, a mind-bending structure made of galaxies stretching 1.4 billion light years across. And the weirdest part? Scientists have no idea how it got there. Fact number 2. Forget gold or silver. If you want to be rich, you need to get to 55 Cancri E, a planet that's literally made of diamonds. This alien world, twice the size of Earth, is covered in crystallized carbon, meaning if you could mine it, you'd be a quadrillionaire in seconds. Fact number 3. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is home to one of the most powerful storms ever recorded. The Great Red Spot is a massive, swirling storm that has been raging for at least 400 years. It is so large that Earth could fit inside it more than twice. Fact number 4. Enjoy the stars while you can, because the universe is going dark. Scientists discovered that galaxies are producing less and less light every year. In a few trillion years, there might not be any stars left at all. Just cold, lifeless space. Fact number 5. Black holes aren't just cosmic vacuum cleaners. Some theories suggest they could literally delete information from existence. Meaning, if you fell into one, not only would you die, but the universe would erase any proof you ever existed. Fact number 6. Ice that's on fire? Sounds impossible, but welcome to Gliese 436b, a planet where gravity keeps water frozen, even though it's as hot as an oven. Fact number 7. In 1977, a radio telescope picked up a mysterious signal from deep space. It lasted for 72 seconds and was so strange that the scientist who saw it literally wrote, "Wow," on the data sheet. Fact number 8. Astronomers discovered a part of space filled with dead stars and ancient cosmic remains. This galactic graveyard is a place where old stars go to die. Fact number 9. We measure time with clocks. But what if time itself is just an illusion? Imagine if everything, your childhood memories, this very moment, and even the distant future already exist simultaneously, like frames in a film reel. Some scientists believe that time isn't something that flows forward, but rather a way our brains make sense of change in the universe. Fact number 10. When we think of massive volcanoes, we often picture Earth's giants, like Mount Everest or Mauna Loa. But in reality, the most colossal volcano in the entire solar system isn't on Earth, it's on Mars. Meet Olympus Mons, a truly mind-boggling volcanic giant that towers over the Martian landscape. Whoa! Can you believe how insane these facts are? And guess what? The next ones are even more mind-blowing. But before we continue, take a second to hit that like button if you're enjoying this deep dive into the universe. All right, let's jump to fact number 11. Scientists discovered that the universe isn't just expanding. It's doing so at an accelerating rate. This means distant galaxies are moving away from us faster than the speed of light, making some parts of the universe forever unreachable. Fact number 12. Every year, the moon drifts about 3.8 centimeters away from us. In a few 100 million years, eclipses as we know them will no longer happen. Fact number 13. A sugar cube-sized piece of a neutron star weighs as much as all of humanity combined. Their gravity is so strong that they warp space-time. Fact number 14. Even though Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, Venus is actually the hottest, with temperatures exceeding 475 degrees Celsius, thanks to its thick heat-trapping atmosphere. Fact number 15. Did you know that Earth has a secret shield protecting us from deadly radiation? The Sun constantly bombards our planet with charged particles through the solar wind. But thanks to Earth's magnetic field, these harmful particles are deflected, preventing them from reaching the surface. Fact number 16. Galaxies are constantly moving, and our Milky Way is no exception. The Andromeda Galaxy, our closest spiral galaxy, is on a collision course with the Milky Way. Right now, it's about 2.5 million light-years away, but it's moving toward us at 110 kilometers per second. Fact number 17. At the heart of almost every galaxy lies a cosmic giant, something so powerful not even light can escape it. Supermassive black holes exist at the center of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way. These black holes are millions to billions of times the mass of our Sun, exerting an immense gravitational pull. At the center of the Milky Way, about 27,000 light-years away, lies Sagittarius A star, a supermassive black hole with a mass of over 4 million suns. Though it's invisible, we know it's there because of how it affects nearby stars, causing them to orbit at incredible speeds. Fact number 18. In about 5 billion years, the Sun will reach the end of its main sequence phase. As it runs out of hydrogen fuel, it will expand into a red giant, growing hundreds of times its current size. When this happens, its outer layers will engulf Mercury, Venus, and possibly Earth. Our planet will either be completely swallowed or burned to a lifeless rock as temperatures soar. Fact number 19. Saturn, a gas giant known for its stunning rings, hides a fascinating mystery at its north pole. A massive hexagon-shaped storm swirls at the top of the planet, stretching over 30,000 kilometers wide, large enough to fit 4 Earths inside. Fact number 20. Imagine looking up at the sky and seeing a new star so bright it outshines everything, even during the day. In the year 1006 AD, a supernova exploded in the constellation Lupus, becoming the brightest stellar event ever recorded. It was so intense that for weeks it was visible even in broad daylight, and at night it cast shadows on the ground. The universe is full of wonders waiting to be explored. Which of these facts blew your mind the most? And if you could visit one crazy place in the universe, where would you go? Let me know in the comments.